Welcome back everyone. Today we have a very special vehicle. This is all new 2021 Honda Ridgeline Sport HPD. Yep, you heard it right. HPD, Honda Performance Development. There are a lot of extra things you get with this HPD package. That's why I said this is a very special one. Because of this 18-inch wheels with black fender flares with bronze colored wheels, this truck already looks better than any other truck out there. Honda didn't just settle with that. You're getting HPD's own unique grille design, and the most important and noticeable thing is the HPD graphics. Both sides of your truck has these twist stickers, or graphics as Honda likes to call it, which represents that this vehicle is equipped with HPD package. Now let's open up the hood. This is where the 280 horsepower 3.5 liter VTEC V6 engine with VCM is located at. You have 9-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive, and also one extra thing you're getting with this package is heavy-duty automatic transmission cooler. I like this door of the Ridgeline. It can open up both ways. I don't think any other newer trucks has this feature. Plus you have this divided bed. You get a massive cargo space under the bed, and spare tire is also sitting there, as you can see. Now let's hop inside the car and check out the interior, and after that we'll see how the driving will go. Now what are you getting with this Ridgeline, right? I'm going to tell you that. Right here you have this 12-volt power outlet and a USB port right next to it. Inside your storage area you'll see another 12-volt outlet with the aux port and a USB port. Infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a lot other features. This volume knob, but you don't get navigation system though with this vehicle. And you do have dual zone climate control system. Also you can change up the temperature and play with it. The rear temperature system, you can play with that, the passenger temperature for the rear seats, but you do not have the heated seats or cooling seats or anything. You don't have that options. Manually steering wheel, manually adjustable steering wheel. You do get these pedal shifters. And now I'll start driving, and I will talk and explain all the features this vehicle has while I'm driving. This truck comes with anti-lock braking system, brake assist, daytime running lights, audio system with 7 speakers, not just dual zone climate control, but you're getting tri-zone climate control. This specific one I'm driving has 18-inch wheels with all-season tires. I can't forget this truck also has lane keeping assist and smart cruising system. And with the HPD package, your extra things I already talked about at the beginning of the video is there. I don't even have to talk about it again. Now we are going to check the 0 to 60 miles here, 0 to 60 mile test right here. Now with this 280 horsepower, I should say this truck has done its job. It's pretty good. It's actually it is impressive. It's impressive. Now let's talk about the price. How much does 2021 the brand new Honda Ridgeline cost? Now the cheapest one is actually this one we're driving. This is the sport trim, but again, this is not the cheapest one because it is equipped with the HPD package. Now if you would buy the sport trim without HPD package, just the basic one, that would cost you roughly around $36,490. That's the starting price. But this one we're driving equipped with everything, HPD package and everything they have. This one cost exactly $40,860. If you go to a dealership right now, you'll get this truck at $40,860. Now, I have also done RTLE trim. Now, there are 4 trims in Honda Ridgeline Sport: RTL, RTLE, and Black Edition. Black Edition is so far the most expensive one. Now, Black Edition costs $43,920. That's the only starting prices for it. I have also done a full review video of RTLE trim. Now if you want to watch that, just click on the top right link and you'll see it. You can watch it through there, or I'll leave the link on the description below. I've also done a Honda Ridgeline versus Toyota Tacoma comparison video, and if you are interested in watching that, just go on my description and you'll see the link, or just click on the top right link that's popping up right now, I'm pretty sure. I would like to thank all of you, you, especially you, the one you're watching, for watching the video and staying until the end of the video. I want to say please subscribe to my channel, because the more subscriber I get, the more cars I can get from the dealerships, the more reliable I am for them, I guess. So just subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It's as easy as just hitting the subscribe button for you. And like the video, share this video, comment down below what car you want me to review next. The most important are two of them: subscribe and share the video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much.